Assalamu alaikum. First of all, we introduce ourselves. My name is Hiba
and my name is Hadija
and we are from grade 10. Today we are here to present the model of brain. All life activities are under the control of our brain. Brain is situated inside a bony cranium. Brain is divided into three major parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain is the largest area of our brain. It is further divided into thalamus, hypothalamus and cerebrum. Thalamus lies just below the cerebrum. It is involved in pain perception and consciousness. Next part of forebrain is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus lies above midbrain and just below the thalamus. It is involved in the secretions of pituitary gland. Last part of forebrain is cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest area of forebrain. It controls skeletal muscles, intelligence and emotions. It is further divided into two cerebral hemispheres. It has four lobes: parietal, occipital, temporal and frontal. Now my companion will explain about midbrain and hindbrain.
The second part of brain is midbrain. Midbrain lies on the top of spinal cord. It controls some auditory reflexes and posture. The third part of brain is hindbrain. Hindbrain is further divided into three types: medulla oblongata, cerebellum and pons. Medulla lies on the top of spinal cord. It controls breathing, heart rate and blood pressure. Cerebellum is behind medulla. It coordinates muscle movements. Pons is on the top of medulla. It serves as a connection between cerebellum and spinal cord. Thank you.